I'm not recording right now.
I am.
I got it now. I am right now.
Well, we found us another tornado. Ethan! Say hi.
What? Hi.
Just hi. Well, we found us another tornado, and we're gonna go get it.
Hey, Alt 1. If you get Alt 1, you can get it from there on the side of your truck.
Yeah, I know.
You lean out to the left, basically you can get it Alt 1, you can get a thumb there. It's a great one for you.
There, I got it.
Yeah. Looks like a twister though.
It looks like one of the. It looks like an F2. I think it's either an F2 or F3.
Yeah, we're going head on with it, but yeah. It looks like it's going off map though.
No, let's see if we can catch her. If not, we'll have to wait for another one.
Alright, I got my thumb now.
Looks like she's actually picking up, actually.
Yep, she is done. That's the end of the map. We've missed her.
Damn.
But we got footage of her.
Well, I guess we're gonna miss this NATO. Yep. Actually, I think that's the same storm.
No, the first one died out on us.
Well, I guess we're going back to Hazleton. We're gonna sit there for another hour or two, because who knows how long it'll take for another storm.
Let's take a right then.
Hazleton, not that way.
The town on the right.
What town?
Let me take a check. Funkley.
Gas station or any repair shop?
Nope. A gas station and there's a funnel cloud.
Just the way I just did a U-turn.
I think no, there's more lightning, but I think the
yeah, but lightning doesn't mean anything.
Yeah, I noticed that.
Now, I'm glad that I decided to take up streaming on YouTube. Because people make a lot of money from that, actually. I might, when I get a card set up, I'm gonna start having a subscription made.
Oh, yeah.
Just hopefully the government don't mind me streaming.
They won't.
We need gas. We need gas anyways. We're at 79. We need a full tank. We're not going to want to run on 79. Looks like another storm's here, but I think that's the same part of the same one. Oh, past the gas station.
Yeah.
Truck.
What the fuck was that?
What?
You, freaking
Ow!
On the audio, all I heard was a, yeah!
Hey, Ethan. We don't fit.
I told you don't eat those muffins.
Hey, the truck's fat, not me, damn it. Well, I guess we could sit right here. I'll see if I can get gas.
Funkley's straight down from us. Funkley is straight behind us.
Let me get the gas first.
Right, you go right.
I gotta get gas first, dude.
Yeah, right.
$29.16 for fuel.
I fucking wish.
Right or left?
Right, right.
You only have to say it once. Jeez.
It's saying there's a funnel.
Waiting for storms. It's probably an EF5. Yeah, you guys can have fun with that. I don't. Well, you know what? Screw it. I'll drive into it. Might lose my truck. Might lose my truck in the process, but still.
Yeah, it's gone though.
No, if we get an EF5, we're rocking it out.
You mean the one that's behind us?
No, that's not EF5. That's an EF3 or 2. That's too small to be a big one.
It looks like a little wiener.
That's one way to put it.
A silence before you even answer.
On the road again.
Anyway, it's going off map. It's done.
Yeah, she's dying out. She's just hanging out. That's on its own.
Nice barn.
Oh! Yup, I see it.
Right there, ladies and gentlemen, we have found a storm.
Stop trying to go off the road,
But
truck.
it's
Truck,
not
quick!
on map though yet.
Truck, stop it!
It's not on map though.
It don't matter, we're still gonna go into it.
Do you guys remember what happened in the last episode? This is about to happen again.
You know Prior Lake is over here. This ain't whatever the hell you said.
It looks like a top hat.
It is a top hat.
No, not anymore.
It looks like it for me. It looks like oh, never mind. It gave birth to a turd. Oh, and it got bigger.
Turd.
And then all you hear is, oh, it got bigger.
Where are we?
I don't know. Where are we?
Head on. Upper Tree Mill Lake. That's where it's happening at.
Well, we're going there.
I think this is where the F5 is about to form.
Oh, baby. Hold my beer. You left my door open,
What?
you son of a... I heard an echo, so I was like, you left my door open.
No?
It's open. Oh, wait, my window's open too, so I could have pulled it open. Headlights on or no?
I would say yes. Oh, it's turning green. There it is. We have lightning. We have lightning. Oh, yeah, we're in it now. We're in the blue. About to go into the green.
I don't want the green, I want red. That's where the bad stuff is.
You mean the good stuff?
The goodies and the baddies.
Okay.
Now just keep an eye out for a hook.
There's yellow in the middle now.
That's where the hook's gonna be then.
Yeah.
Always look for the hook. Don't look for anything else.
Past that gas station. We're going in.
Ooh,
Oh, that is...
come on. Come on, baby, drop. Oh, we got rain.
Yep.
As soon as we start getting hail, that's when we know the hook's near it.
We should probably go into the town. Yep, we're about to go into the red. It's now turning yellow and orange. It's about to go.
We don't want we don't care for the color, we need the hook. Oh, we got hail.
But the color is where the hook is going to be at. It's red now.
I'm waiting to see the hook pop up. As soon as I see the hook, I'm going for it. Why do I have a feeling she's about to spawn on top of us?
That would be our luck.
Where are you?
Green triangle. It looks like... Oh, never mind. It moved again. Okay. It says right next to us on our right or left.
Ethan, look how dark it is over there.
Oh boy. That'll be a fun one, boys.
Where are you, big girl? Where are you at?
Stop in the middle of the road.
Show your ugly face. Or funnel.
Sucks you up and stuff.
Yeah, that's my look.
There's a East Text. Fulton is evacuation. Request at 7:30 in the morning. National Weather Service, Hazleton, Kansas. The National Weather Service is issued a severe thunderstorm warning for the locations. Trench, Prior Lake.
Someone says it's south.
Damaging windows, severe. Dave, it's leaving. We gotta get back to the red.
Which way is it going, though?
It looks like it's he's still on 41. He's still on 41. He's going across it.
Where? Wait a minute. Is that a dust cloud? No, it's not a dust cloud. Is it? Maybe?
Turn right, turn right.
Why turn? Oh, I think I see a dust cloud.
I think I see it too.
That or I could be seeing stuff. Yeah, I'm definitely seeing stuff. Oh, this hail's making it hard to turn. Why does that cloud look like it's moving?
Right there! Right above us! Right above us!
Oh, this is gonna suck.
F5! F5!
Yeah, this truck ain't gonna withstand that, Ethan. No, it's not. It's not above us.
It's up to the left now.
Oh, there's the hook.
Yeah! There's right above us.
Oh my god, that is the biggest hook I've ever seen.
It looks like a turd.
It looks like a turd going swirly. Dude, that's the biggest hook I've ever seen. Oh, wow.
It looks like a bundle.
Oh my god.
It looks like a whale, doesn't it? Like a nuclear sub.
Whoa! Hey! Quit making my hair stand up.
Stop the fan! Stop to hit the fan! And back up.
Oh! Back up, truck!
Back up now!
I am!
Just right on the right, it's about to form. I think it's following us.
It is following us.
Oh, excuse me. Yep, it's showing the reset logo or whatever.
Come on.
There she is.
Come on. Touchdown. Oh, she is big.
F5, about to make some money.
She has not touched down yet.
Stop the truck quick. I want to see if I can pick something up real quick.
I'm gonna laugh if you get picked up by an invisible tornado.
I hope so. Hail, we got hail. Back up now. Back up.
Oh, there she is. There she is.
Where?
Look in front. Leave it behind. Don't care about it.
I have another one, so I'm good.
I have another one, so I'm good.
I got picked up. Where are you heading at?
We're going into her.
Yep.
Oh, she's coming to us.
Alright, stop. Stop right now.
No. She's not coming to us. She's going the opposite.
Yeah, oh yeah, now she is. I can see
Don't
that.
bother putting it down, because you'll still get money either way, because you're in my convoy.
She's going left.
I know. That's why I'm going to cut her off.
We're gonna die.
No. We'll be fine.
I got myself a thumbnail, an actual thumbnail.
Oh shit, I should probably
Oh,
do
she's
thumbnail.
massive.
That is an EF4. Oh, we're probably gonna get picked up before we even get near her.
Oh, it's just dark. Turn around, Dave.
Why? Oh my god! Here we go!
What does that mean?
Here we go!
Come on, Bertha.
Pick us up! Come on, pick us up! I know you want to! You want to chuck us around?
I'm into her. Tree.
No shit, Sherlock.
Win! Win!
Oh no. Oh no. Wait, nothing's happening. What?
I can't see at all.
Is she a weak one? Oh, nope, there's the winds.
I'm in first
Maybe she's still trying to build up power or something. No, she turned around on us. Dick.
I was just about to say.
Get back here. We ain't done with you.
We ain't done with you.
Back here. We're not done with you. Get your ass back here. Pick us up! I think she's still trying to build power or something.
That's what I'm thinking too.
Like, even the speeds aren't picking up. So either that or my game's not registering there's a tornado. Yeah, because see, look at that. We drove out the front and the speed's dropping.
Severely.
What the hell? Maybe she's not
fully formed yet.
that, or she is about to do a jump.
Hold on, I'm gonna put down something so if I get up.
You better hurry. Wait, no, she's picking up. She's lifting. She's a jumper.
Oh.
Something tells me she's a jumper.
Stop! There you go.
Yeah, I think she's a jumper.
And then we got a jumper. Oh, we've got the radar.
What do you mean?
Oh!
Oh!
We have a jumper.
Yeah, it's a jumper.
Yeah.
There's multiple spots. His truck is slammed. Like, nope, sorry. Come on, show yourself again. You know you want to.
She's moving. She's moving. The class is circling right now.
She's trying to find a spot.
That's on it. Yeah. Dave, hook behind us. Hook behind us.
Yeah, that's the same hook, dude.
No, she's actually coming towards us.
Where the hell did you come from, Dominator?
Right behind us.
Yeah, she hasn't dropped back down yet, though. Oh, she's gonna drop right to our left.
Yeah.
Me first. Dang it!
No. The tree has stopped you.
That tree said denied.
Denied. Yeah, she's building. Farm. It looks like a nice farm too.
It'll be fine. All next to Hazelton. Oh no. Hazelton's gonna get screwed up.
Yeah.
Come back here, I ain't done with you.
Are you sure about that?
Uh-huh. I have a feeling they're about to merge into one. And if they do that, it's gonna be an F5.
That's gonna be a bad one.
It's gonna be
That's
fun.
what it looks like.
Yeah, I think they're about to merge over at... Oh no. It's heading towards Hazelton.
It's gonna be it's probably gonna be like an F900.
I would be terrified of that.
They're gonna build the whole fucking United States.
I'd be like, bye-bye, that's humanity.
Right
Crossing the street. Didn't your mother ever tell you not to cross the street? No. Are you sure? Yeah, but I just don't listen. It's just like, yeah, but I don't listen.
Can you imagine that wind speed?
It's 18 miles per hour right now.
Bro, can you imagine an F900, the wind?
Okay, I thought that was a frickin' river. I was gonna be like, oh, there she is again! A little jumper.
Where at? I'm here.
Come here! Big Bertha! I almost said something else. I'm here I hear the funnel. What? Massive wedge about to drop. No shit.
Not really?
Yeah, totally. We're about to drive into her. I'm cutting her off again.
I've done so many thumbnails for this shit.
Dude, I'm about to cut her off. I swear to God, if she jumps again, I'm just gonna end this recording. Come on. Come on, please be stronger. Come on.
We're in.
Yeah, but she's not strong. It's still 40 plus. Oh! Nope, she's dropping around in crazy speeds.
Because she is a jumper.
No, she's weak. She's weak.
Yeah.
Yep, there she goes again. I think she just jumped again. Oh, there's another one.
Oh.
We're going for him. You know what? Go away, Big Bertha. No one likes you. Oh, we're gonna have to be quick about this. I'm gonna need you to keep an eye on him.
I'm watching it.
Ah, you frickin' ran it. Wrapped around the damn. Oh, missed a turn. I am not trying to be a toasted truck, you lightning bolt. Oh,
it's on the right. It's moving.
Oh, why do I feel like there's about to be 3?
She's jumping again.
Can you tell me what the risk is?
Death.
Death.
It's straight ahead. But I think we might miss her.
Nope, I'm gonna cut her off again.
She's right there, right in front of us.
I'm gonna cut her off because she's gonna get across before we even get to her. Oh yeah, this one's got more power. Look at that dust cloud.
Oh yeah. Oh, this is...
Nope, still dropping the same speeds. What the hell? Yeah, no, these two are weak.
They must be F3s then.
No, weak ones are the F1s and F2s. Something tells me these are, 64, 65, 70.
She's pitching.
She's still in 70. Come on, baby. Come on. Nope, she's lifting. That's why it's dropping. No, she's still here. Why is it dropping?
Yeah, the colors are still the same as we're out of the storm.
Yeah, I don't think... Oh, she is fast, though. Damn. Holy crap. She is quick. No, something tells me she got some go-go juice.
Go-go juice.
She got that go-go juice in her. But not enough. Yeah, she's not reaching the high speeds for some reason.
Yeah.
Oh, I take that back. That just spiked to 100. And now it's dropping again. What the hell? Did she turn around on us?
I think so.
You mother... Yeah, she turned around. Or, yeah, she turned... You son of a bitch. Get back here. I ain't done with you.
I'm just in first person and just watch this.
Yeah, there's the leaps and stuff in the wind. Oh, screen shaking. Screen shaking! Oh, God!
Oh, no.
Pick us up. Better pick us up. If you don't pick us up, you're weak. Pick us up.
Turn around.
You know what? You... Get your fat, windy ass back here. Oh, not like that. Not like that. I take it back. I'm sorry. I'd rather keep my car battery in one piece. Come Come on, pick me up.
I'm just watching this all in first person, so.
Pick us up. Either you pick us up or you need to.
Dave, sunrise. Oh no, the truck is moving. And that is it.
Get back here. I ain't done with you. Oh, you're over here. Whoops. I ain't done with you until you disappear.
He's dying down.
Get back here. I ain't giving up. Get back here. Don't you dare pick up. I see you lifting. I see your skinny ass going skinny. Get back here. Wow, how are you so quick?
Wait.
We're in a truck, dude.
Wait, gosh, I should say.
How are you so fast? Yeah, she definitely got some go-go juice in her.
I would laugh so hard.
Oh, no, you did not. You did not just lift yourself.
She's done.
Damn it. Is there any town near us? Oh, dirt road.
Jamel. Okay, robot. Yeah, if we go straight backwards, do 10 strike, go all the way up, there's a gas station way down there.
Where? Straight forward?
Behind us.
She just came back down. You know what? Screw you, Big Bertha. I don't watch you anymore.
Behind us, way behind.
We might just have to sit here on the side of the road.
Boston's behind us. Boston's behind us.
Nah, we'll just sit here on this road. We're good on gas anyway, so.
Well, we can get probably get fixed.
We'll do that when the daytime comes because I don't drive at night.
There's so many thumbnails. Yep, she's disappearing.
I don't trust nighttime, so I'm gonna put the jacks down. That's one rule with this game: do not ever trust the nighttime. They've made the nighttime the most treacherous part ever.
Sake. I'm working on my thumbnails right now, so yeah.
Yeah, I should probably end my recording. Well, this is the end of this recording, so we had fun. We just didn't get very much stuff because these two tornadoes were weak and 10-9 they were F1s. So hopefully the next video we'll have better luck. Stay tuned.